this video, I will show you how to send money from Europe to Ethiopia. So to do this, I would personally use Remitly because it has really good exchange rates and low fees. On your first transfer, you don't have to pay any fees. Now you can see on remitly.com, if you are in Europe and you live in any of these countries right here, then you can use Remitly. So it's pretty much every country in Europe. Now personally, I'm from the Netherlands, and then here where it says to, you can just click on what it says for you and search for Ethiopia and click on it right there. And then here you can choose how much you want to transfer, for example 50 euros. And you will see how much your recipient will receive in their currency, and you can see there is no fees on your first transfer. So then just click on get this rate, and then if you don't have an account yet, you will need to go and create your account, but I already have one, so I'll just sign in. But creating your account should only take a few minutes. So then once you have created your account, again make sure it's set to Ethiopia, so I'll just search for it right here and select it, and then click on send money. Then make sure that the amount is correct, so for example I'll just do 50 right here and then click on continue. And then you can choose the delivery method, which is how your recipient will receive the money. For example, I will select mobile money. Then here, kind of depending on which method you picked, you need to select which bank they use, where they live, or in this case, which mobile wallet they use. For example, M-Pesa. Then just enter their first and last name and just follow these steps. And then go to pay for the transfer, and then the money will be on its way to your recipient in Ethiopia. So now you know how you can send money from Europe to Ethiopia. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.